Hello, dear traders. My name is Clara, and these are the main trading ideas for the current trading session. First of all, let's discuss the situation with the dollar. The dollar index is trading at 106.70. Yesterday, weekly data on the labor market were published, as well as statistics on industrial inflation for October. Thus, the number of initial applications for unemployment benefits increased by 217,000, which was less than the previous benefit of 221,000, while the total number of citizens receiving assistance from the state decreased from 1.184 million to 1.873 million. The labor market remains resistant to the current measures of the U.S. Federal Reserve. Meanwhile, the Producer Price Index in October in annual terms increased from 1.9% to 2.4%. Since inflation risks continue to grow, this may force the Fed to abandon further easing of monetary policy. Against this background, long positions in the dollar remain a priority. Next, Australian currency against the dollar. The pair is trading at 0.6460. Investors are focusing on October labor market data, which turned out to be mixed. Thus, unemployment remained at 4.1%, while total employment slowed from 61.3 thousand to 15.9 thousand, reflecting the slowest pace of recovery in 7 months. Experts note that officials of the Reserve Bank of Australia are not yet confident that the situation on the market will improve. Therefore, in these conditions, the regulator is unlikely to decide to reduce interest rates before February. Additional pressure on the Australian dollar is also exerted by the strengthening of the American currency. Given the above, the decline of the pair may continue. And finally, euro against the dollar. The pair is consolidating near 1.0540. Pressure on the euro is exerted by the risks that the European economy may face if the new American administration decides to introduce additional tariffs. Such actions will have the most negative impact on Germany's GDP, which may lead to a reduction in the overall European indicator. Weak data on industrial production in European countries were published yesterday. In annual terms, the indicator fell by 2.8% against the forecast of 2%. It is also worth noting the comments of the Vice President of the European Central Bank, Luis de Guindos, who confirmed the regulator's plans to continue cutting interest rates at the next meetings. Given this, the euro retains the potential for decline. So, these are the main trading ideas for now. Thank you for your attention, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.